Perhaps you've been wondering, does an individual's level of happiness impact their productivity? Let's explore that from an Agile perspective as we discuss what has come to be known as the happiness metric. You may have encountered different schools of thought on how emotion and work relate to one another. Some may say that work is about producing a result and emotion has little or nothing to do with it. On the contrary, studies have shown that happiness does in fact impact productivity. One such study, entitled Happiness and Productivity from the University of Warwick, found that happier people are about 12% more productive. Since we know that happiness does have an impact on productivity, the next logical step is to understand how to measure and improve upon it. Here are a few guidelines that might help you as you work toward integrating the use of the happiness metric into your team. Collect input from each individual team member every sprint. Review the results on a regular basis. Use the process of collecting the data to drive retrospective discussions. And ensure that the data is transparent and available for review by all stakeholders. The criteria for the happiness metric can be as simple as asking team members if they're feeling happy, neutral, or unhappy since the previous sprint. But using a scale of 1 to 5 provides slightly better granularity. Don't overcomplicate the criteria. Keep it limited to a few questions. And here are a few suggestions. How do you feel about your role in the team? How do you feel about the team as a whole? Why do you feel that way? And if you could choose one thing that would make you happier next sprint, what would it be? It is important to recognize that these examples are scoped to the team, but you can also add additional questions that are scoped to the company as well.